How to set your Galaxy Watch 7 or the 7 Ultra into black and white colors for the display only. So just black and white colors. If you want to disable this, if you accidentally turn it on, here's how you can also do this. To enable it or disable it, use the quick access here and go to settings. Once you're in the main settings of your Galaxy Watch 7, you'll go down to the part that says accessibility. So you'll look for the word accessibility and it's a bit far down right under general. Once you enter here, you'll see this here and you go to where it says vision enhancement. So you're gonna go here to vision enhancement right there. And as you enter here, you will see color correction. So if it's turned on by some mistake somehow, you'll simply disable it right there, okay? And it's gonna be turned off now and you'll get back your colors. This will show you your basic colors. Now, if you want the grayscale only, all you have to do now is just come here, turn it on, and select this option here. If you select the grayscale, everything's gonna be in that black and white gray color, okay? And that's how you would go about doing it. And if this guide helped you, like and sub.